In this video, I'll show you how to add a formula in Airtable. I'm using the web version, but this works the same across all platforms. Head to your Airtable homepage and open the base where you want to add the formula field. Click on the base name or card and your table view will open showing your existing columns and data. Look for the plus button at the top right corner of your table columns and click it. A field type selection menu will appear. Click on the search field at the top of the menu and type formula to search for the formula field type. Click on formula when it appears in the search results. The formula editor will open. At the top of the configuration panel, you'll see a field name input box. Enter a name for your field. Choose something descriptive that reflects what the formula will calculate. In the main section of the panel, you'll see a space under formula. Click in there and start entering your formula. As you type, an Insert a Field or Function section appears below where you can select field names and functions instead of typing them manually. Remember that field names with multiple words need to be wrapped in curly brackets. Single word field names don't need brackets. You can use functions like sum or concatenate, operators like plus, minus, multiply, and divide, and reference other fields from the same table. Click the Create Field button at the bottom of the configuration panel. The formula field is added to your table immediately and calculates values for all your existing records. Here are a few things to keep in mind. You can't manually edit the values in a formula field. They update automatically whenever the fields they reference change. To avoid typos when writing formulas, use the Insert a Field or Function section to select field names rather than typing them out. If you have AI enabled in your workspace, there's a Generate Formula button in the editor that lets you describe what you want in plain English and it'll build the formula for you. You can also adjust formatting for the output by clicking the Formatting tab if you want to control decimal places, currency, percent, or time duration display. That's how you add a formula in Airtable.